Hi everyone! So I'm going to make some Christmas shortbread with some conifer needles. So maybe you have some in your backyard or someone else has a backyard with some either Douglas fir, western hemlock, spruce needles. These are all really nice needles that you can use as a flavoring. So at this time of the year in the winter they're going to be kind of bitter and tannic. So you want to chop those up and use them as a spice sparingly just to give that foresty beautiful flavor. So yeah, that's how I'm going to make my shortbread this year. I ended up having to mortar and pestle the conifer tips because it's winter and they were just quite dense, so I just pounded those with a little bit of sage into a paste, and so that'll be the spice that I add to my shortbread. And then I have 1 cup of butter, 1 3/4 cups of flour, and then a 1/2 cup sugar there. I'm going to toss the sugar into the butter and cream that, and then add the flour and the spice. So I have taken the final batter, and I've just sort of used a fork I didn't even roll it out, I forked it out just because I wanted that texture. And then I cut them out with the cookie cutter, and now I'm going to bake it. Check out these little beauties. They are ready to come out. So that was actually 35 minutes, but they're ready to go. So yeah, these are spruce tip shortbread for Christmas. Merry Christmas.